Hi guys, we are back and welcome back to the garage now. Last couple of videos we've been out and about up at Knockhill a couple of times, which has been great, but I think it's time that we now check in probably for the first update between both cars as we prep for Street Weekend 2024. Now guys, we are in the garage today with the Anglia. We are probably seen by the thumbnail. We're going to actually take the engine out and possibly even replace the gearbox. So, fair bit of work. I'll give you a quick run round as to how we look just now and how we get on today. And probably episode 1 of hopefully only a couple before this is running again. I know we've only got 3 months, but the now time's going 100 mile an hour. But yeah, guys, enjoy this one. Now, just before we start, don't know whether anyone's seen last night, I put a YouTube short on of this. This was September 96. Now, this is obviously my dad's car, the Anglia. This year though, Street Eliminator, Anglia actually made it in the magazine, which was really cool. I was saying just in the chat last night, it would be great to even match this time this year. So, Street Eliminator 96. There we are here down the bottom, if you can just read that. If it comes into focus, 12.28. Now, I think probably just now we'd probably accept that, as certainly as an average anyway, at Santa Pod, but how cool is this looking through the archives? Well, if I just flick through quickly. Now, again, if you're like me, this is so cool just to look. Now, again, this is 28 years ago. We'd done that in the, or my dad done that time in the Prefect. It'd be cool if we could actually show you that car. Might stick in some pictures of it, but it'd be amazing to go back in time and just do one video on it or whatever. But anyway, if we all had hindsight, these classifieds are unbelievable. I'm just going to pick this one out as an example though. 13-second Mark II Escort. Running, driving, will go 12s, £1,950. Crazy. Anyway guys, sorry we digress. Let's get a look around the car and let's get this engine out. So quite a lot going on in here as well, guys. This is obviously ECU Master now, set up. Digital dash used to sit over there. Hopefully in maybe episode 2 or 3 in the Anglia we can have the dash back in and this will be looking really cool and prepped and as original as it can be. But today we have the engine hoist mounted up. We've already been underneath, prop shaft and things is out. Hopefully we can see under. Maybe not by that big exhaust there, but gearbox is jacked up. The engine has been taken off the mounts and moved forward slightly. We're going to take this out, get the box out and replace it because the box possibly didn't like the extra horsepower, but we're just about ready to take this out. You should just take the jumper off.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to do that. Just give me a minute.
Go for it.
Get this off. That's how I'll just slide this out the side and then we'll go to the car now. So.
Hopefully my time lapse done okay there, guys. We're only 2 of us, so yeah. I hope I'm doing this justice to how tight a squeeze this is, but the engine and box are now separated. Quick look at the new twin plate clutch in there, but we now just need to lower the car back down, get the gearbox out the road, move the car back a bit, and we're going to swap to the new gearbox. We'll get you a look round all this as we get that out, but yeah, doing okay here, guys. Right guys, so I find it quite hard to film when there's only two of us messing about doing this, but old Gearbox is out now. This one was completely knackered. It was installed just to check actually, but it was crunching away, so built box is ready to go in. We have the engine out in front of us here, and there is an empty Anglia engine bay again guys, and yeah. So guys, hope you liked that. That is episode 1. We do have the engine out now. There is a few bits and bobs we obviously still need to do to get this back in. We need to bolt on the new box, of course. Tidy up the engine bay a wee bit, I think we'll do. Fill up a couple of holes, put some paint on it. Engine back in and retest, hopefully, the new box. Hopefully there's no issues with that, and we can maybe get you guys, obviously, out a re-drive. We need to try and set up my dad as well, needs to get a shot of this and see what it's like with 500 brake, but it's still 3 months to go guys, and yeah, hopefully you can follow us along this way and we do make it with this car and mine to Santa Pod. But if you are still watching, thanks guys, and if you do want to see more of this, let us know, and otherwise see you next time.